Hi everyone, welcome back to Canon Coffee. Here we have a Francis X1. This machine was brought in because it was leaking from the group head. And so what we found is that it needed a tune-up, which involved replacing the gasket in the group head, which was the main fault there. Deep clean the brew screen, descale. And also we noticed that it had been leaking from the steam assembly, so we replaced the gasket in there in the steam arm. So here it is, working once again. Let's test it out. Looking good. The pour is a little fast, the grind is a little coarse, but as you can see, no leaks. Blammo. Alright. Test the hot water. We'll open the steam knob, activate the brew switch. Looking good. Now let's activate the steam. Now it'll just take a moment for the heat to build up. There it is, cooking. All right. There you have it. Francis X1 working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Canon Coffee, and please like our videos.